quick. Oh, I hit something. There must be another log like submerged just where you can't see it.
Oh.
Yeah, thought it was driving a bit funny. Gone too high with the trim tabs, I can see that.
Yours or mine?
Mine. Doesn't matter.
We're going to drive straight.
Why are you trying to hit me?
Very darty.
It is darty, that one, yeah. It should be better now, pull the trim tabs up a bit, but... Okay, yeah. I should adjust this, but I'm not gonna. Can't be bothered bending down. I just can't be bothered. Oops.
See that one?
Yeah, I did. That was ump on the prop like that, and then you shot it up.
You want to flip over. You want to be on his roof. Wait for it to roll. It's like half throttle. It's like easy to drive there.
At least try and line up with me.
I'm trying.
4S on 4S. What? That thing's so fast.
It's pretty quick.
Bit of a cool down one. Go again. Oh shit.
I think your boat's a little bit better in the rough stuff than this is.
Well, it is bigger.
Yeah. It's making all the difference.
Yeah, you drive this and I'll drive that, see what happens.
Alright.
You just don't keep it flat. When it starts bouncing, just keep it there, don't kind of back off. I mean, kind of, don't back off to nothing, just...
Yeah, just coast.
Now I have to look at the black one, you gotta look at the red one.
It's easier to see. It's pretty, man, it's pretty out of the water.
Yeah, it does need the tabs done, but it's kind of fun like that too. Man, this thing's so zippy.
Yeah, it picks up fast, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just picks up so quick. Don't tell me.
I guess tough that thing.
Yep.
You go in front of me, I'm gonna come. Affecting you or not.
Oh shit. Now I've done it.
It's right way up.
Oh, is it? Ah, I thought I was looking at the bottom of it.
You can see the yellow tubing.
What, you afraid I was going to hit you?
Yeah, I thought we were going to.
I can see a rudder sticking up in the air, Brock, so I'm pretty sure now I'm right. Yeah. Does it work on this one?
Sometimes. Oh.
That's because the aerial's underwater. Just bring yours in, we'll get the rescue boat. There. Oh! Oh my goodness!
You flipped it over. Oh no, you did.
No, you flipped it over.
It went back on its roof again.
Oh, there's every chance of that. Nice one.